everybody, this is Ronald, otherwise known as Sarah, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash review of the brand new Erin Condren back to school products. So first of all, I'd like to say thank you to the EC team for sending this to me. I still am just amazed every single time I get anything. I was talking with Sarah from Plan Sarah Plan the other day about these things. Not what's in here, but about getting them. And I said, you know, I feel like I'm in planner heaven because we all dreamed about it. Like when the first time, you know, you saw somebody get something ahead of time, you're like, one day. So anytime I get anything, I just, the joy is not lost on me. So here we go. So first of all, I've got a fan going, so we'll see if that stays. So first of all, I would call this, and I'll take this out so that it's not quite so up close. I would call this a lot home office more than really back to school. So that's how I would look at it. In the pictures that we kind of previewed, you saw a small green box. Well, I've got rid of that and condensed it to this, but I'll show you what's in that green box. So this is the metallic, maybe get it under the camera. This is the metallic pen and clip holder. This is the blush. It also comes in charcoal. You can see that it has 8 binder clips and 20 paper clips. And, you know, I want to know if it is magnetic. So I'm going to check on that. Talk amongst yourselves. Okay. So these are not magnetic. You can see one's the paper clip holder, the pen cup. They're a little different shades. And the binder clips are in blush. So they're basically like rose gold. And then that one's in a light pink. So those are kind of cute. I like that. And of course all the kaleidoscope goodness. So, and those retail for 16 bucks. So not bad if you want to spruce up your office. And then the other thing that was in that little green box, I am wildly obsessed with. And I hope to explain why. Alright, so this is the designer Hourglass. And when I first got the email and read it, I was kind of like, what? An hourglass? But then I just have completely fallen in love with it. It's a 20-minute timer. So I am somebody that lives and breathes by time blocks. I guess from college that was ingrained in me. And this is 20 minutes. So for somebody like me, when I work from home, it's easy to get distracted. This would be great to set up. But that's actually not what I was thinking of. I have a child who has sensory issues. And when she was really small, loud sounds triggered her really bad. And I just think, wouldn't this have been great for her classroom if they did like a 20-minute timer? I think every teacher needs one of these for sensory kids like that, because a loud timer would have completely upset her, just, you know, disrupted her, and kind of just, you know, worked her up. But to have a timer that you can give to a kid and say, here, when this is up, you know, your free time or reading time or study time is over. I mean, I just absolutely love this product. It is glass, but it's, I mean, I would be careful with it, but I love it. And then it retails, what did I say, for 16? Yeah, it also retails for 16 bucks. And there is a trio that you can get in the gem tones that you can get 3 for $34. So I think that's awesome. But I am absolutely obsessed with that. So the next thing we have metallic push pins. These are kind of short. So if you're somebody like me, I don't know how much you can put with them. I typically like a really deep push pin, but these are great for just hanging up single things. And there's 80 two-tone, yeah. And these are always a hot commodity in any household and in classroom. I know just in our house alone, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, five different cork boards. So we're always stealing each other's push pins. So these will come in, and these will be $6.50. So not bad for 80. Okay, so next we have another set of push pins, but they're designs. So these are cactus. They also will have them palm and palm. Both will come in gold or rose gold. And cactus will also come in gold and rose gold. So these are kind of cute. Definitely a little novelty. Cactus, I guess, I don't know. It's strange, I say. Yeah, it's different. I don't know what I would do with a cactus push pin. But if you live in the Southwest, you might be all about that. So this memo thing, I think it's called, what is it called? Gold Memo Board. I was expecting like a cork board, but this is actually pretty unique. I really haven't seen much of anything like this. It's a gold grid memo board, and it comes with 4 binder clips. And as you can see on the picture, you can kind of customize it to however you want. So, and it's magnetic on the back, so you can just stick it on anything, any metal surface. And I like that. So this would be great, you know, on your fridge. Or for me, in my office, right as I leave, there's a filing cabinet that I walk by. So it would be great to clip up like reminders. I always have to remind myself to take home, like if I need extra paper or if I've got a dish in the office lunchroom or something, I always have to like stick a sticky note up there. So this would be good for that. And these retail for only $12. So, I mean, that's pretty darn good. Oh, and I think these also come in, we're talking about these also come in Lagoon, not just charcoal. So, I don't know what Lagoon looks like though. Oh, I called this in the spring or summer surprise box. We talked about having a shaped paper clips, and sure enough, they did. So, we have diamonds. Let me read you here. Diamonds that are gold and in rose gold. Hearts that are in silver and gold. And a hexagon, which doesn't tell me what color it is. So, I like these. The diamonds are a lot less, you know, like I said, I have bad history with shaped paper clips. I like to keep them in my work planners because they're nice and flat. And I keep notes of every single phone call that I take just for legal reasons in case something ends up going to court. It might be 2 years later and I need those notes. I will clip them in with these flat paper clips like this. And I like to use shaped ones or colored ones because I just need a little brightness at work sometimes. So that's a win for me. I like that. The palm ones I didn't care for so much. Okay, so the planner stencil sheet. I honestly don't know if this is the same one that she had or if this is a new one because I didn't get the old one. I guess it's a new one. Honestly, I have no idea. So it's only $4.50. I think it's great. Especially if you want to give it to kids. You get them their little kids planner and they want to, you know, you obviously don't want to invest in a bunch of money for stickers with them. Give them this and like a pack of dual tip markers. And let them go to town. I think it's cute. And for those of us who want those picture perfect check boxes, there you go. So it's really cute. Let's see. We have. I saw the asterisk, the double-ended flag, the boxes, smaller boxes. Okay, so this little circle. Weekend. See, yeah, I think my kids would like that a lot. So I like that. Yep. And like I said, that's only $4.50. So, speaking of kids and kids stuff, this Out of This World sticker pack. It's $7.50, and I've already decided that I am getting these for my girls for Christmas. And I'm going to get them a cover because the covers right now are BOGO. So I'm going to get them and just tuck it away for Christmas because these stickers are, I mean, they're like perfectly in the font and format of the kids planner. So, and I guess they did that on purpose. I mean, although you could easily use some of them. I just thought, like, you know, this is a lot of the kids stuff. I love my planner friends. See? I mean, just so cute. I really, yeah. Definitely going to tuck those away for Christmas. And I think I told you guys the price. $7.50? Yeah, $7.50. So, oh, and this makes me happy. We got one of these last year, or maybe 2 years ago, in a seasonal box, and I loved that thing, and I used it to death. And so a new one, and it's in this new stripes motif. I don't know what it's called, and this is perforated. So there's 52 of these. You could do one for every single week if you were like that. It helps for me, like if I'm it's great for meal planning, but it's also great for the week. Like I will, if I plan out my week with events, and then I'm like, okay, for this, I need to pick up this and this. And then for soccer, I'll need to get snacks. And for camp drop off, I need to bring forms. So it's kind of helps me to plan a quick glance at a week with things that I need to do. And then if nothing else gets done, I at least know what has to get done. But a lot of times then I can have kind of my set list of everything I need to do and get it into my planner and kind of work from there. So I love these things. And this is $15. Oh, and it's retro stripes. I can't speak today. Okay. Gold page markers. So these are kind of cute. These are different. 6 book markers. And they are $6.50. Let's see, they're a little different. These are kind of cute. Again, these would be good for me, like, in places where I want them to stay for a long time. So I like that. And it looks like they only come in gold. I don't see any other options on here. So, oh my gosh, I love this thing. I already know my daughter's going to take it, and so I'm going to get another one. Look at this ruler. It's so cute. So it's I think it's acrylic. I mean, wouldn't you call colorful? I mean, I would call it I think it's acrylic. It's pretty thick. Look at it. Acrylic ruler. And it's colorful. All the numbers are different colors. And it's 12 inches. And I just think it's so cute. Like, my girls want this. If you're a teacher, like, doesn't it, I mean, I think that would make me happy. And I have to do things at my office that make me happy. And I have to buy my own supplies too. So sometimes, like, you know, buying my own supplies it's kind of fun. Because at least I get what I want. Alright, so this I'm opening with you guys. It's a all-in-one desk organizer. Set of 4. Includes a pen holder, a letter sorter, a magazine tray, and a magazine file. So it's kind of genius how they have that packaged. Alright, so I got this. This is the retro stripes. It is also going to be available in Kaleidoscope. So there's your magazine. I don't know if I can get it far enough for you guys to see. There's your magazine holder. Which I hope if they're going to do this, that they at least one day make these available for separate purchase. One that has a nice little bracket on there. Because if you are like me and you want to set up your whole office like this, you're going to want matching ones. But you might not need, you know, 4 of these. So, and it's a cute little pen holder. That definitely matches my office. I'll show you. See, all the teal. And yes, Hallmark Christmas is on. So yeah, I like that. And this is cute. This little letter sorter. Haven't seen one like that. I guess it goes, you could either lay it down and like just have like notepads, like those big Post-it notes, and then have a few standing up, or I guess you could stand it up and actually stick letters in it. But that's cute. And these are pretty thick, much thicker than the boxes the planners came in. So those are good. And then the magazine tray. It's kind of cute. Oh, and again, it's teal, so matches my office. It has the retro stripe motif inside. And and it's pretty sturdy. I would compare it to like the Emily Lay boxes. Yep, I said it. So it's pretty sturdy. I like that. And look, that fits. That doesn't fit width-wise, but just to show you how long it is. So I like that. That's cute. Like I said, I do hope they come separate. And I don't think they do at first, but I'm just hoping, like, over the years, like, oh, let's offer those separate. And let's see, they come in painted petals, the kaleidoscope, and retro stripes, and that is $26. So, oh, and last but not least, every good teacher needs a schedule pad. So this one is August through December of 2020. And if you've never had, I'll open this off camera. If you've never had one of these desk pads, they're great. I keep mine at work, mainly because I don't have the real estate at home to keep it. Looks like this. So it's got like pretty gold. And it matches the colorful months. And then in the back, we have stickers. So I keep this on my desk at work. So that's it. That is the back to school supplies. Oh, and the desk pad. I forgot to tell you. The desk pad, it is $30. But those also go on sale, I think, when the notepads go on sale. So if you want to save some money, wait for that. But anyway, I will be back tomorrow with a plan with me. So have a great day.